Hello Lord of the Rings, Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another sword I'd like to show you, and it is the Morgul blade, the blade of the Nazgûl. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into it. It is a real cool blade. And here is the art box. It's very cool. It's the front. As you can see, the blade of the Nazgûl. And the back of the box. If you want to zoom in or pause the video if you want to read that. Close up there for that. And for this one, I had the COA framed. This one I did, so I thought it was pretty cool to get this one framed though. Usually I don't get them framed, but this one I did. And here is the plaque. Pretty cool. Really, really nice plaque. And as you can see, I put those two together prospectively. And I will show you the blade now. And here is the blade. Here's the overview of it. I'll show you. I like how it has all the weathering on it. All the texture. And this is felt. It's not a leather. It is a felt that's on the for the handle there. And then as you can see how weathered it is, or the weathered look, as if it been through battle like crazy. Pretty cool. Now I'll show you something on the edges of these. You can see the chips and everything on it, as if it's on the edge there. You can see what I mean there. I don't know why they did that, but comment down below why they did that. I think it's just to show the how much battle that it's been through or whatever. That's my thought anyway. So yeah, very cool blade. I like the hilt. I like the butt end of the dagger here. Really cool. I'll flip this over here. Yep. Overall, I really like this dagger. Very, very cool. And that's what it looks like up on the wall with the COA. And then I did this to go with that blade, which I will do a further video in the very, very near future, and that one there too. And then I got it to go with all the bad guys here, with all the helms and with all these mini helms and all that. Yeah, very cool. And then you can see here how I got this all displayed up here. Like again, as I said, I will do videos on the swords on the left and right there, so you can see them more up close. So yeah, so that's the Morgul blade, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. That's a very cool blade though. I really, really like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Comment down below what you guys thought of this Morgul blade, and like and subscribe. Have a great day, and see you guys in the next video.